A financial crisis usually happens fast. One minute you're driving home, and the next, your engine block is violently sputtering black smoke on the side of a dark highway. Right now, 60% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency like this without reaching for a credit card or taking out a loan. That single, unexpected mechanics bill easily turns into a balance that rolls over month after month, accumulating high interest and keeping you trapped in payments for years. Today, we will construct a 3-month emergency fund system, moving through the specific steps required to transition from concept to execution. Before we begin, grab your most recent bank statement and block out 15 minutes of uninterrupted time. This cash reserve serves as the mandatory foundational shield that protects every other financial move you make. Step 1 is determining exactly how much you need. We have to draw a hard line between your total lifestyle spending and your bare minimum survival budget. This diagram separates your monthly outflows. On the left, we list strict essentials: rent, basic groceries, utilities, insurance, and minimum debt payments. On the right goes everything else: dining out, streaming subscriptions, and hobbies. We drop the non-essentials completely. Looking only at the survival column, we add up the costs to find your single monthly total. In this example, it takes exactly $2,000 to keep the lights on and food on the table for 1 month. Now multiply that number by 3. For our example, that gives us a final target of $6,000. Many people fail here by calculating their target using their full lifestyle spending. That inflates the number so high it feels impossible to reach, causing them to quit before they even start. Deriving this concrete mathematical number changes your approach. It eliminates the vague idea that you need to save more and replaces it with a definitive, achievable finish line. Before you worry about that 3-month target, your immediate micro goal is securing a $1,000 starter fund. As this progress bar shows, hitting that first $1,000 activates your initial layer of defense. If you are currently making aggressive extra payments to clear high-interest debt, you need to follow a strict rule. You must temporarily pause all of those extra payments. Pay only the minimums on your accounts until your $1,000 starter fund is fully secured. Without a cash reserve, you are entirely exposed. When a crisis hits, this $1,000 shield absorbs the blow, keeping your debt payoff timeline completely intact. This milestone acts as immediate crisis insurance. It ensures a single setback doesn't force you to borrow money again, which would wipe out months of hard-won progress on paying down your balances. Next, you need a place to put the money. Open a high-yield savings account at a completely different bank than the one you use for your primary checking. Keeping the money at a separate institution creates necessary friction. If the funds aren't instantly transferable to your debit card, you are far less likely to spend them on a whim. Plus, in the 2026 rate environment, a high-yield account pays upwards of 4% interest, quietly growing your cash while keeping it entirely safe. Looking at this chart, you might be tempted to put your emergency fund into the stock market to chase higher returns. Do not do this. The absolute rule of emergency money is that it must be perfectly stable and immediately accessible. If the market crashes the same week you lose your job, an invested fund disappears exactly when you need it most. The location of your fund is just as critical as the dollar amount. This money functions as insurance, not an investment vehicle, and it must sit in a boring, untouchable account until a true crisis occurs. Now open your primary banking app. As shown on this transfer screen, configure an automatic recurring transfer to send money to your new high-yield account. The timing here is crucial. Schedule this transfer for the exact day your paycheck hits your account, moving the cash before you even have a chance to spend it. Treat this automated transfer as a non-negotiable bill. If you wait to see what is left over at the end of the month, the answer will almost always be zero. Even a modest contribution of $50 to $100 per paycheck adds up quickly. At that rate, you will hit your $1,000 starter fund in just 2 to 3 months. To speed up the timeline, apply the found money rule. Redirect any tax refunds, cashback rewards, work bonuses, or side hustle income directly into the emergency fund. Relying on raw willpower fails when your budget gets tight. But when you combine an automated payday engine with redirected found money, you guarantee that your 3-month target will be hit without squeezing your daily expenses. Your financial safety system is now locked in. You have calculated your exact essential target, opened a separate high-yield account to hold the cash, and activated an automated payday engine to fund it. This fund acts as an unbreakable barrier against the debt cycle, providing a level of security that matters more than its interest yield. So, what is stopping you from starting your emergency fund this month? Let us know in the comments below. True financial peace of mind belongs exclusively to those who set aside cash before the emergency happens, not those scrambling to find it after the fact. Subscribe for more practical 2026 money guides, and we will see you in the next one.